Oh, what a nice day! Wait, why is it so dark out over here?
It's
a very beautiful day.
Let's see. Wait, why it's so dark? This don't look like a normal day. Oh, there are clouds! Oh, there are clouds everywhere! ఎందుకు? ఆగు. Nice. It's a nice day. Wait. Why are the leaves are all shifting, man? Oh, raining? I never. Where? Ah! Dude, I don't see it like anywhere. Wait. Is that a funnel? Yeah. I just want to get a clear view of the tornado. Guys, is that a funnel? There's a funnel. Guys, there's a funnel. Shit.
Just a meteorologist looking at the views.
Guys, you can see, but there's a tornado forming. All leaves are shifting.
All leaves are shifting.
Wait. I mean, guys, it's not really hailing. Bro. Oh! Ah! Tornado! Tornado ఇప్పుడే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. అటు సైడ్ వెళ్తుంది. వెళ్ళడం చూసి నల్లగా వెళ్తుంది. Guys, I see a tornado heading that way. Oh. Did we just survive a tornado? Nice. Survived a tornado. Yay, guys, we just survived a tornado. Yay. Wait, let's see where is the tornado going. ఎందుకు? అమ్మా ప్లీజ్. ఎందుకు? ఆ క్లియర్ వ్యూ చూడండి. Okay. Guys, we just survived a tornado. I'm going to tell to my little brother. Yo, bro. When I am up, bro, I see a tornado right close to me, like heading that way. Wait, we just survived a tornado, bro. That was damnating.
Hello, we just dived into the tornado behind the seats.
Guys, I just survived a tornado. Like it was heading that way. I didn't show on cam.
That's a
Yo, bro. There's a tornado there. Did you see the outlines? See there. There's a tornado right close to the mountain. Guys, there's a tornado close to the mountain. We just survived a tornado right now without a bunker or anything. Wait, but just see a bigger tornado.
Where?
Look up there.
Guys, there's a fucking tornado.
But you can get a better view on my phone. Right.
అది danger.
Yo, bro. Yo.
Danger. అంటే ఎందుకన్నా ఇంట్లోకి వెళ్ళండి. అది danger.
Guys, we just survived a tornado right now. Yo, bro. Yo, bro.
తాత ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది.
ఎక్కడికి రా రే అది ఆల్రెడీ వెళ్ళిపోయిందిరా అన్న పక్కన ఉండడం చూసాను ఫోన్లో వెళ్ళిపోయిందిలే Looks like it's still falling.
Everything fall outside.
Yeah, bro.
I think that's it.
Look, there's an even more small tornado. Look at this. Look at
Guys,
this.
that's it. Rain rabbit.
Guys, there's an other tornado.
Not there.
There is an EF4 and an EF1. Guys, we just survived a tornado right now.
Yo guys, look at that debris.
Yeah. Wait, debris, bro? Where is the debris, man? Like a natural disaster survived.